Hey everyone. In today's video, I'll be covering 4 amazing AI tools that can take your UI design workflow to the next level. Whether you're looking to upscale images, create UI designs from text prompts, or bring animation into your projects, these tools have got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, we have Let's Enhance. This tool is a game changer for anyone who works with images. It allows you to upscale images without losing quality. Have you ever had a low-res image that needed to be high-res? Let's Enhance uses AI algorithms to enhance your images, improving clarity and detail. Simply upload your image and the tool takes care of the rest, making it perfect for UI designs that require sharp visuals like landing pages or app mockups. Plus, it saves you time searching for higher quality images or attempting to create them from scratch. Hey, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. It really helps support the channel, and I have a lot more exciting content planned for you. Next up is Galileo AI. This tool revolutionizes the way you generate UI designs. Instead of starting from scratch or getting stuck in a creative rut, you can simply type in a design prompt. For example, you could enter, create a login page with a minimalist design in Voila. Galileo generates a unique layout for you. This is perfect for brainstorming sessions or when you need a quick mock-up. The ability to tweak and customize the generated designs allows for endless creativity while still saving time. Now, let's talk about Visly. Visly is a fantastic tool for creating wireframes and prototypes. What makes it stand out is its user-friendly interface and AI-driven suggestions. You can start with pre-built templates tailored for various industries, making it easier to kick off your projects. With its intuitive interface, you can quickly apply animations to your designs and preview them in real time. This is essential for modern UI designs where engaging and interactive elements can significantly enhance user experience. Visly doesn't just let you create wireframes, it offers intelligent design recommendations based on best practices, helping you create a better user experience. This feature is especially useful if you're new to UI design or need guidance. By the way, if you're watching and haven't hit that subscribe button yet, now is the perfect time. Your support really helps the channel grow, and I can't wait to share more amazing content with you. Lastly, we have Jitter, the tool that makes animation a breeze. If you're looking to add life to your UI elements, Jitter is the way to go. It allows you to create animations for buttons, transitions, and loading screens without needing any prior animation skills. With its intuitive interface, you can quickly apply animations to your designs and preview them in real time. This is essential for modern UI designs where engaging and interactive elements can significantly enhance. Now that we've explored each of these fantastic AI tools, let's break them down and see which one might be the best fit for your needs. Here's a quick comparison. If you're focused on image quality and an enhancement, Let's Enhance is your top choice. Its powerful AI algorithms allow you to upscale images without losing any detail, perfect for those high-quality UI designs. For quick mockups, Galileo AI stands out as the best option. It generates UI layouts from simple text prompts, significantly speeding up your workflow, especially handy during brainstorming sessions. If your goal is wireframing, look no further than Visly. It offers a user-friendly interface combined with AI design suggestions, ensuring your designs adhere to best practices. And for those wanting to add engaging animations to your UI, Jitter is the go-to tool. Its intuitive design makes it easy to create professional-looking animations that enhance the overall user experience. Now, let's talk pricing. All 4 tools provide free tiers, allowing you to explore their features without any commitment. Paid plans typically start between $9 and $19 per month, depending on the tool and features you need. So, what's the takeaway? Choosing the right tool really depends on your specific needs as a designer. Whether it's high-quality images, rapid design generation, wireframing, or animations, there's a perfect tool out there for you. And that wraps up today's overview of the top AI tools. Let's Enhance, Galileo AI, Visly, and Jitter. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, helping you save time and elevate your design projects. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. And don't forget to drop a comment letting me know which tool you're most excited to try.